Hello, welcome to my channel. All those who are new, let me introduce myself. I'm Cynthia Mengi. I'm a spiritual healer and psychic. I run my mystical healing center. Its head office branch is in Sirhind, Punjab, and its sub-center is in Patiala. That's also in Punjab in India. But we offer the online and offline services. So let me give a brief about us. We operate in three ways. First, we provide the healing services. Second thing, we provide the healing workshops. I'm also a spiritual life coach, so we deal in the life coaching as well. And the third thing is that you can buy the spiritual healing products from us, any kind of the healing products. Let me guide you with everything that I can. Okay, the first part is of our services that we offer. First one is the counseling. We can talk, we can see what goes the best for you. Second is the hypnotherapy sessions we provide. Third thing is the Reiki healing sessions. And Reiki healing can be done one by one or on the, via the distance healing. But the hypnotherapy sessions, I don't prefer them doing online. So it would be best if you can be here for the live sessions. The next thing we have is the aura scanning. That's the magical one thing, and people love to have their aura scanned. And we do aura scanning by pendulums, crystals, and even by Reiki healing. We do the aura cleansing, chakra healing. Everything is possible here. The next thing is the best one that I like is the psychic readings. I am a psychic and I love to do readings. Let me show you some of my cards. These are my Angel Therapy Doreen Virtue deck. This is my tarot deck of Red League Valentine. This is Work Your Light Oracle deck by Rebecca Campbell, which I use. And this is the Sacred Indian Tarot deck, and I am waiting for the other ones to purchase, because once you start shopping, it's really hard to stop. I love my cards so much. We also deal in pendulum dowsing readings. Let me show you the pendulum. Okay, this is the pendulum, and it's 7 chakra healing pendulum, and we use it for the readings as well as the healing part. We also deal in crystal therapy, aromatherapy. We deal in lots of alternative healing modalities. Okay, and the next thing that we have is we offer the workshops, the coaching workshops. Okay, like I'm naming the few. We deal in the alternative healing workshops. We deal in the ascension workshops, those who are seeking something higher into the spirituality. The third thing we offer is the relationship workshops for attracting your soulmates, the tips and tricks for that and not falling into the wrong traps. The next one we have is the meditation workshop. We teach the different kinds of meditation, around 10 plus kinds of meditations, and how to carry forward with it and how to make meditation your lifestyle. And we also deal in psychic readings workshop. Anyone who wishes to learn how to read these beautiful cards, I'm here to let you know. And if you want to have the pendulum dowsing workshop to know how this pendulum works and how to use it, everything, notes, videos, audios, everything is available, including the valid registered certificate. Okay, these are the registered certificate workshops. And the last one is the weight loss workshop. Personally, I have lost around 15 kgs in 2 months without any medicine, without any Herbalife, without any exercise, without any pain, just simply resting and just changing a few things in my lifestyle. That's all. No exercise, no diet, nothing. So I have incorporated all of my journey with a few tips and tricks and how these things work with the mechanics of weight loss. I have introduced all those in my weight loss workshop. So we have these few workshops. If you are willing to join them, do let me know. And the last thing is that we also deal in the healing products like the aromatic candles that are therapeutic in nature. Aromatic baths also there, and aura cleanser sprays, any kind of the healing bracelets. Like I have you here. Let me show you. See these kinds of bracelets and stuff. We deal with all such things, and if you wish to order from us, you are most welcome. Then healing oils, like some kind of the weight loss oils you want, or some painkiller oils, or the oils for the black hair or something, any kind of the healing oil that you want, we are happy to help you with that. We have the magical charm pens. Those are the Reiki infused beautiful pens. Right now I am out of stock for that. There were lots of orders, and I just dispatched them. I don't have it right now to show you, but you can order this from us, and you can ask me for the pictures. The last thing that we also offer is the magical charm diaries that you can use for your gratitude work, for the manifestation of your desires, for the law of attraction. You can use it as your vision boards, anything like a visualization diary that is also Reiki infused. So we offer all these things, the services, healing services, the healing coaching with the registered valid certificate, and lastly the healing products. And I thank you all for watching this video. I'll be happy to help you. Feel free to reach us, and I'll be glad if you can share this video to your near and dear ones, your friends, family, colleagues, your relatives, anyone, and help me grow my divine family. Thank you so much. Sending you love and light. Blessings. Bye bye. And yes, sorry, I forgot. I am pinning down all the links in my description box where you can follow me, like me, subscribe to my channel if you have not done it so you will get every information in the description box. My contact number, my address, anything, my all the social media links will be there, and feel free to connect. Bye bye. Take care.